emergency officials get in there right now, and then those who want to go down and lend aid can come in after that. But even those who are trying to help are kind of starting to clog up the road, and they understand.
They can't get by because of the debris on the road, and so the emergency personnel are stopped where the debris is covering the road, and we know so very many of you are anxious about their own family members and friends who are in that area. We can assure you, police will be down there. There's a whole stream of red and blue lights heading to Moore, Oklahoma right now. At this point, there is very little you can do, very little chance that you'll even be able to get into those areas. So,
and again, absolutely, and they said we appreciate those who want to help and those who are frantic about family members, but they've got to get in there right now.
A post-tornadic fire. Here we go. Come to your left.
Okay, John's reporting a
Come to the left.
traumatic fire that may have broken out.
Tornadic fire, yeah. So
There it is.
So please, this area remains dangerous. Stay out of the area. You don't know exactly what is on fire there, but you can tell that it's a structure.
It's a house that's on fire.
House.
Yeah.
John's reporting it's a house. John, can you see emergency crews getting into those areas at all yet?
Here's the deal. The toughest part, the hardest part that they really need to get to, there's so much debris that, you need a monster truck to get through.
Yeah.
There's cars upside down. There's, debris. There's houses, and there's whole houses in the road. So, the hardest part they need to get to, they can't get to. But yes, there are a lot of people on the roadway. And here's what part of the issue is the police did a great job stopping people and not letting them even get in the damaging path. And so what they've done is now these people that were in their cars are still congested on the roadway, and now they have to get out of the way. And it was bumper to bumper.